Morning students, I welcome at SR online classes for BSc final students. The last class discussing on elements of scripting language. It's like websites. Websites means difference of static websites and dynamic websites, and URL uniform resource locator, and it's like what is the protocols, what is domain, subdomain. Next, static web pages, dynamic web pages. What we are discussing on the static web pages means you can write the HTML content, the fixed, you cannot change it of the while running of the overnight. Dynamic ones frequently can be changed. Can you give an example of this? Dynamic means generally going to the any websites. Amazon, best example of dynamic website. Frequently can value can change. Now we are discussing on the HTML in details of HTML. Hypertext markup language. Mainly we are discussing of HTML means hypertext markup language mainly used for creation of the web pages. And yesterday discussing on the website, collection of web pages called website. Whenever you are using a web pages, just you can creating of the program is markup language. Markup language HTML markup hypertext markup language. Mainly designing of the web pages. Collection of web page means website. HTML is also known as just HTML you can written of the in between less than symbol and greater than symbol. That's called tag language. And already points discussed in the first class. HTML is not a case sensitive because if you can write coding of HTML either capital letters or small letters, either small letters or capital letters. And HTML file can be saved in the .html file. This HTML file can run on the any web browsers, any one of the web browsers. Already previous class explained web browsers, Safari, Chrome, Internet Explorer, Netscape, Navigator. These files can be run any one of the text editor. It's like Notepad, WordPad, front page. Best we are going to this one is Notepad. Now we are discussing on the HTML structure. What is structure? Okay. HTML structure, hypertext markup language structure. Just already is known as previous language already studied in Java language, C++ language, C language. When you are developing on the programming code, if you write some structure, C structure, documentation section, definition section, linkage section, similar to C++ is also definition section, documentation section, linkage section, main section, subprogram section. Similarly, if you can write markup language, some structure will be there. What is structure? If you can write HTML begin and HTML close, in between is having some coding sections are available. Similarly, languaging and markup language is having a structure. Here now HTML structure is HTML. Next header. Title, just if you can write title of any content written here, title of page, TAT, title close, this is close, backslash TAT, title close. Next, head close. Next, body. Next, if you connect this one is a body content. If you connect the HTML tags that defines the HTML tags that define your page, go to here. Next, if you can add anything here. Next, body close. Next, HTML close. This is the structure of HTML. HTML structure. HTML and corresponding closing HTML. Head and corresponding head is closed. Title and title close. Body and body close. HTML is having two sections are there. HTML has two sections. One is a head section, another one is a body section. Head section means it's having a title of the page, content of the title. Body section actual content of the displaying on the web page. What even the discussion of the point of HTML? HTML means hypertext markup language. This is mainly used for creation of the web pages. HTML is not a case sensitive. If you can write capital letters or anything small letters as you wish. For example, if you can close HTML and corresponding close HTML, you can write small letters. And HTML is a tag language. If you can write this for tag, less than symbol and greater than symbol, that is not HTML. In between less than symbol and greater than symbol is known as tag HTML. HTML is a tag. The two symbols are using, one is left symbol, left less than symbol or left angle bracket, greater than symbol or right angle bracket. That's called two symbols are there, left angle and right angle, or left less than symbol or greater than symbol. And HTML is a, if you say that the file means dot HTML, just say the file name dot HTML. File name. These files can be running on the any one of the web browsers. These files can be written. This program can be written any one of the text editors like Notepad, WordPad, or front page. And HTML has two sections are there. One is head section, another one is body section. Head section is having a it's having a title content. This will be displaying on the title will be displaying on the browser. You can see observe browser. Browser is having a menu. Title bar is there. This title bar can be showing on its content of this title and head. It is browser displaying the heading and body is actual content and corresponding closing tags are corresponding closing. This structure means HTML. Head. What is the importance of head? What is the importance of title? What is the importance of body and close? Here we can discuss in each and every. HTML means this tag identifies. HTML can write this one. This tag identifies the document as an HTML document. HTML document. An HTML document begins with HTML and ends with /HTML. HTML beginning and HTML ending. This tag identifies the document as an HTML document, and HTML documents begins with this tag and closing with corresponding closing with /HTML. That is the importance of HTML. Next, head section means the head tag contains information about information about the document, the head tag contains information about the document including the title, including the title and document description. The head tag is the head tag to be entered between HTML tags. What do you mean by this one? HTML is a tag identifies the document as an HTML document, and HTML documents begins with HTML and ends with HTML. Head means the head tag contains the information about the document, including the title and the title is document description. The head tag be entered in between HTML tags. Next, title. This tag contains the document title, the title specified inside title tag. Here appears on the browser title bar. Appears on the browser title bar. Okay, when you are writing on the HTML code, HTML is a documentation. Head is a some heading of the document. Title is a nothing but information appear on the. If you can observe web browser is a title bar is there. For example, you can observe Internet Explorer is there, title bar. That place you can appear on the. If you can write in between title and typos, the content will be displaying on the appear on the browser title bar. Next, body is the actual content of the HTML structure. Next, if you can write here body. Next, after this one, body. The body tag contains or encloses the body tag encloses all the tags attributes and information to be displayed in the web pages. The body tag, entered below the closing heading, closing head and head tag, and above the closing HTML tag. This is structure. HTML head, title, head close. Next body. Body means the HTML tags that defines your web page. Go to here, and if you can write anything of all tags, the body tag encloses all the tags and attributes, and information to be displayed on the actual content of this one, displayed on the web pages. Where it can appear in the body tag, the body tag entered below the closing HTML tag and above the closing of HTML tag, and above the closing of HTML tag. This tag will be appeared below the HTML below the closing of head tag and above the closing of HTML tag. This tag will be appears. Next, title means the tag maintains the document title. The tag contains the document title. The title specified inside title tag appear on the browser title bar. It means the tag contains information about the document, including the title and document description. What are the headings of here? Okay. This is called next heading means HTML means the tag identifies a document as an HTML document, and HTML documents begins with HTML and ends with /HTML. This is called HTML structure. Is the main involving of the HTML. Corresponding HTML will be closed. Head close. Title and if you can write title and title there, next one will be written. Otherwise, beside of the title bar. Okay, title close. Closing means /t. This is structure. Next will be, for example, body is having a two ways, tag and attributes. What do you mean by tag? In between, if you can write any less than symbol as well as greater than symbol, that is known as a tag. It is known as tag. For example, attribute means body is having the description of the tag. That is called attribute. Tag and attribute. Here means the structure. That is called HTML structure. Next, we are working on some tags in product. What are the points will be covered in HTML? First, we will discuss on the HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext Markup Language. In this, before going off HTML, SJML is there, Standardized General Markup Language. This is mainly used for creating on the web pages, designing of the web pages, and these web pages are running on the internet. HTML is not a case sensitive because of the coding of the HTML. Either you can write capital letters or small letters. In another languages like C language and C++ language, this is called case sensitive. Because of C language, you can start with only small case letters, Uppercase letters and lowercase is different in C language or C++, Java. Here HTML is not a key instance. That's why you can write HTML is a capital letter. Some more if you can write closing is also small case letters. It's no problem at all. Next, these programs made up with the HTML tags. These programs are made up with HTML tags. Each line HTML program is called tag. Tag means in between less than symbol as well as greater than symbol. That is in between less than symbol and greater than symbol. That is called HTML. HTML is called tag. It is also tag. Why? Because we are calling less than symbol and greater than symbol. If you create some content, it's called head. Is also called tag. This is also tag. And this is tag and tag. This is close. Because of tag means dash content. That's a closing tag. Tag is indicated with less than symbol and greater than symbols. Next, HTMLs can be written in any one of the editor. HTMLs can be written any one of the editor like Notepad. This program if you can write Notepad, WordPad, front page, etc. Because of whenever installation of the operating system Windows will be provided automatically by default is called IE Internet Explorer. Otherwise you can try type download it in net Google Chrome. Already discussing yesterday class different types of browsers as well as different types of text editors are there. Next, these programs can run on the any type of browsers. By default is Internet Explorer. These programs will be written in any one of the editors like Notepad. Whenever installation of the operating system 95 or Windows XP, by default provide the Notepad. It's the same way by default provide the browser is called IE Internet Explorers. And the file next save the file means the extension of HTML.html. The extension of these programs .html. .html means if you can write the file name .html. And this one is for example, if you can write HTML is having two sections are there. Every HTML document has two parts. One is every HTML document has two parts. One is head section, another is body section. And HTML tags heading and heading close, and body close. HTML active, HTML close. This is called structure. Structure means HTML close. In between, if you can add head and head close. Head is having a title of the page, and these are the optional. What is the content of the compulsory bodies? Body content is a compulsory. Here, this is the structure of HTML. Structure of HTML. Next, if you can write some content here. What is the HTML? Hypertext markup language. This tag identifies the document as an HTML document. If we can write this one HTML, this is called HTML document, and HTML document begins with less than symbol and greater than symbols and ends with slash. HTML. Here two types of slash, forward slash HTML. That is content of HTML. Next, head section. The head tag contains information about the, and generally we are using the heading of the program. Head is also type heading of the head. For example, computer. Finance means computer heading. Head. That's the information about the document, including the title and document DD description. The head tag will be entered between. The head tag entered between, in between HTML and which goes. Next, title. Just anything if you can write the title of the program. For example program on some more tags here means it's called content of the title and title close. This tag contains the document title. The title specified inside title tag and closing of title tag. Where you can display information. The tag appears on the browser. Browser means it's like some Internet Explorer or Home bar is there. Browser bar is there. For example, you can observe that browser is there. By default, Internet Explorer is there. In that case, this can, if you can write here, anything that can be displayed in all this one. Let's compare. Next, body. The body tag encloses all the, for example, not only body can be supported all types of tags with the text, included so many tags. Body. For example, welcome. Welcome can appear bold letters, big letters, color letters. All means the body tag encloses all the tags, attributes, and information to be displayed in web pages. The information will be displayed on the particular web pages. The body tag entered below the closing heading tag. If you can add small letters, you observe that, and above the closing of HTML tag, closing of the below tag and tag. This is known as structure. This is in detail description of the HTML structure. Tomorrow we are discussing all the content going on, writing HTML documents and tags working with text. For example, if you can add content, the content can be displayed in particular informations. That purpose of using this tomorrow class each and every program where you can add this content. This simple. We already known perfect of Java programming last semesters. Just you can practice. Go to a notepad. Just you can open the notepad. Just typing of the tomorrow we will be discussing example programs. Just content type and that file can be running on any one of the browsers. If you can see, you can see there's a browsers, and tomorrow we will continuation the part. It's like so. Example program where you can write the program, how to run the program. Everybody can having personal computers are there. Just you can open the notepad. Just type already Java content will be writing on the notepad. Same where you can run the Java programs. Just to open the command prompt. Here means open the browsers. Yesterday we were discussing on the browsers. Internet Explorer browser is called. Every have personal computers are there. By default, going to Internet Explorer browser is there, as well as Google Chrome. Otherwise, you can download the Mozilla Firefox. These are very best suitable for browsers. Already explanation of the Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer is a very secure browser. Whenever your transactions are online, very secure. Very secure. Banking transaction being in browsers, you can better suitable for Internet Explorers. Because of behind of this maintain so many firewalls, that is a very secure provides. Here, just structure HTML. That tomorrow we will be discussing on the same content. We will be having example of the HTML is having header, title, head close, body. Actually, if you can add the content will be here, body and body close. Actually, all of the content will be here. For example, tomorrow we are discussing an example tags working with text. It's like bold. Good morning, friends. Good morning, friends. The text will be displayed on different styles. That means tags working with text. Then it will be written. We are using different tags. And this go. That's called structure. For example, whenever you are writing on the C program and C++ program, you can follow by structure. Same way, similarly, you can follow by while writing on the HTML content. The structure will be displayed here. Clear enough with that? The previous content is starting classes is what is HTML, who is invented HTML, what are the points will be available HTML, and what is browser and their types, and what is website, what is URL, what the types of websites is. Next, HTML structure. Clear all of that? Okay. Tomorrow we will be continuing HTML tags. Today session will be stopped. Thank you. Have a nice day.